Team Asaf and Elana have beaten all of our expectations and dreams. They are true soulmates in every sense of the word.
Today, we enjoy the celebration of community reflected in the faces of all of you. And today, the journey may have seemed long, with so many unexpected turns, but it feels beshert that you are married this week. A great week for love. The same week, Saul and Hannah were married 36 years ago, and we were married 35 years ago.
We highly recommend this week. The two of you witness so many of the imperfections and heartaches of the world each day, and yet both of you, in your own special way, are determined to do whatever is in your power to lift up each person you touch. We are so deeply inspired by your intentionality and your spirit.
Light the flickers in your hair. We're breathing in the sacred air. Promises we swear to keep. We're dancing in a lucid dream. Let's be still for our love. Let's be still for love. Never grow old.
Hannah and I always hoped that Asaf would find someone as brilliant and as wonderful as he is himself. And Elana has surpassed all of our expectations. Brains, poise, smarts, good sense, and certainly not hard to look at, our little Elana is.
Elana, you are always the best partner in crime, no matter the crime itself. Our favorite thing about you two together is your amazing balance and your ability to grow together. We've watched you develop so much as a couple, managing to have both the most expensive and least expensive taste at the same time, moving into an almost one bedroom with no doors and not wanting to kill each other. Traveling the world, having to postpone your wedding due to a crazy, unforeseen global pandemic, navigating through insane work schedules, solving the world's woes over a cold beverage, talking your way through daily tasks, and ultimately creating a beautiful life together in New York.
Asaf has been the best brother I could ask for, a great friend, adventure partner, and my teammate. We did almost everything together growing up. I believe in you so much, and I know many great and exceptional things are yet to come. Elana, I promise you've made an excellent decision by marrying Asaf. And he's made an excellent decision by marrying you. You now have a partner for life and forever.
Bruchim habaim b'shem Adonai. Blessed are you who come in the name of God. And look at one another and think for a minute about the wonder and the amazement and the specialness of this moment, which you started planning more than 2 years ago. And think about all that has transpired in these 2 years. OMG. May the presence of the Holy One shine upon you and upon all of us on this day.
These are the words of your ketubah. As we embark on life's journey, we promise to love, support, celebrate, and inspire one another. May we always feel comfort in our longevity, but never lose the excitement of relearning and rediscovering one another at every stage.
And may you know always the gift of shalom, of fullness, contentment, and peace. Amen.
Mazel tov!
So this is what you want, to watch the coastline fade.
Although we technically got married last year, right? I think I speak for both of us when we say it really didn't feel complete until we got to celebrate with you guys.
Remember what I said.
Elana and Asaf, love, partnership, respect, and lots of kids. But Debbie asked me to say that. She said something like, doctors we have, get them to make lawyers.
You two have handled all this with impossible grace and are the most deserving of a truly epic celebration.
And so with that, we raise a glass to Elana and Asaf,
The couple you always want to be with, and the people we can't be without. We love you.
I never knew I was so close I could. So you will take from me, so you will take everything